Hi everyone. So for this week, I found an ELL resource that would be especially applicable to English language arts teachers for middle school or high school. And the resource is a website called weneeddiversebooks.org. They also go by WNDB. And I remember hearing this site mentioned before by some of my professors in college, so it was great to come across it again as I researched for this week's activity. So basically, this site has compiled a bunch of books from different genres, different categories that they then filter and arrange, organize into different categories based on different kinds of cultures, such as groups such as LGBTQ, students that have disabilities, so that students are reading about people that are their age, that are from similar backgrounds from them, that have similar experiences that they do. So it encourages them to read because their identity is affirmed. So this is a great resource for ELLs, especially because they are coming from a different background than most other students. So this is a great way to motivate them. So basically, We Need Diverse Books is a nonprofit organization that tries to advocate for all children so that it encourages all children and so that students are able to reflect and see themselves in the characters that they're reading. So basically what they do, this is just the homepage. It provides their mission statement, what they do. You can check all of this out. What is the movement? That's everything. You go to the menu. Right here it explains more about who they are. They have little video clips that you can watch. You can see their programs. My Wi-Fi is slow. Like awards that they give, grants, internships, mentorships. So they're really great. They also do bookseller, and then they show up to your classroom. So all of that, it's great to check out as well. But the most important thing was like their resources. So they do panels. They click where to find diverse books. So they have linked to other websites where you can find more information, summer reading, resources for writers, even more. So yeah, so here's some example. They do updates on their blog of different kinds of books. So like right now the season is like the holiday season. So we do get a lot of like, we're used to saying like Christmas books, but here they have like a list of like 10 books that celebrate Hanukkah. So you could have your students read a book that's more about Hanukkah rather than Christmas, so they learn